So I've got the JBL Tour Pro 3s, and let me show you how to enable spatial sound, right? So you need to have the case open and the earbuds out, probably in your ears, and then you can go to the JBL headphones app and open up your Tour Pro 3s, and then go and tap on audio. Now, once you tap on audio, you should see your audio settings, and that's where your spatial sound will be. Now, it's going to be off by default, but then you can choose to enable for a fixed spatial sound or head tracking. Now, head tracking basically uh, tracks your head movements and tries to move with you the way you move, but fixed basically makes you feel like the sound is coming from one specific place, even if you move. All right. Now you can go into the more sound settings, and then you can adjust for movie, music, or gaming. And then also there's a demo track that when you're wearing your earbuds, you can play to just kind of test how it feels and how it sounds. All right. So that's basically how to enable spatial sound on your JBL Tour Pro 3s. Thanks for watching and good luck.